Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix FPS drops when clipping with SteelSeries GG Moments. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the SteelSeries Moments, and first of all let's go to the settings, and right here if you scroll down and click on about, you'll see the GG version. So make sure to check for the updates and make sure it is the latest version, because if it is not updated it can be a reason why it lags. After that, what you'll need to do is go to the overlays and notifications. So make sure to disable game overlay, because basically it will take some performance out of us. And right here for the play sounds, leave it as it is. After that, make sure this is turned off. Let's go to the clip settings. Right here, what we'll need to choose is duration. So you can choose for the 1 minute, it is by default. And for the video quality, go for the medium, not high, because on high you'll get lags. For the resolution, go 1080p, and if you are right now on 1080p, make 720. And for FPS, make 30, and if you want smooth clip, you want to make sure to select 60. So basically it will take some power from us, but you'll get a butter smooth clip. So if you are getting lag spikes, make sure to select 30. And that's pretty much it, guys. So that's how you fix lag in SteelSeries GG Moments. And the last solution what I can offer you is basically by going to the task manager, and if you go to the details and right here scroll down, and you'll see the SteelSeries GG app. As you can see, SteelSeries engine, SteelSeries GG. And if you go right here and right click it and click to the set priority, make sure to set high, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.